Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we will draw a bird sitting on a branch of a tree. Just put your hand on a paper and trace it after that dark it by using black. Make its legs and branch of a tree. Make some flowers and snow on it. It's very easy and fun way to draw something like it. Kids feel happy and easy to draw things by using their palm. It looks interesting, isn't? Okay, let's come to the colors. We will put orange color on its beak, AMD pink color on the bird. It's up to you. Which color do you choose? Either red or orange. We will put green color on the branch and our drawing is ready. How it looks, please let me know. Thanks.